At Keen, we believe the most sustainable shoe is the one that you keep wearing. That's why today, we're sharing tips on how to clean your Uneek sneakers. Our Uneek has been an iconic style for the past 10 years, constructed with 2 cords and a sole. Your Uneek sneakers need a little extra care, and we recommend that you hand wash them. To give your Uneeks a good clean, you're gonna wanna grab some things from around the house, like a mild soap, baking soda, and a soft brush or cloth. And if your shoes are really gross, we recommend this sandal wash by Nick Wax because it's PFAS free, just like Keen. First things first, when cleaning your Uneeks, you wanna get that dry gunk off with a soft brush. Then, if you still have some stuck on dirt, you wanna take that mild soap and clean it with a slightly damp cloth. Key thing about drying is they need to air dry. If they're not leather, we recommend letting them dry outside in the sun. This will kill some of those bacteria that's lingering deep down and can help remove those stubborn stains. Feet can get pretty stinky, sandals can get pretty smelly. That's why cleaning them is so important. It's just sometimes you might need that little extra odor control. So we recommend sprinkling your shoe with a little bit of baking soda and then letting it sit for about 12 hours. If you notice your Uneek bungee laces are getting a little worn out, or you just wanna change up your style, you can check out our video on how to replace your bungee laces at keenfootwear.com. And there you have it. Keen shoes are consciously created for less impact on the planet, and by taking care of them, you're playing a big part in that. So thanks for stepping lighter with us. Want to learn more about how your footwear can make a difference? Visit our Keen Impact page online. See you out there.